Alright, I have got my Whirlpool Cabrio Platinum washer. Take a look here at that on my lights. It's on wash mode right now, just doing a normal load. It's a jeans and towels. Actually has the glass top where you can look down. See those clothes getting washed up. It has several stages of the wash cycle it's going to go through, and then rinse and final spin. I just wanted to show that it is working perfectly. Still have to get it cleaned up, but I'm also going to show that spin cycle running at full blast so you can hear that it sounds great and stable, and no weird noises coming from it. So we'll come back for that. Right, and it has started in on the high spin for the final spin cycle. And it's running the drain and getting the last of the water out of there. It will actually go faster than this, which I'll come back for here in just a minute. Alright, and here it is, just about its fastest speed. And it'll spin like this for the next 5 minutes, flipping the drain on and off, getting the rest of the little water out of there, which allows those clothes to be very light when they come out and dry very quickly. But as you can see, runs nice and smooth, sounds really good. Still speeding up, no issues with this guy whatsoever. So if you can see the serial number and model number there. Alright, we'll move on to the dryer. So we have got those closed, moved over. Gonna close this up, let you see that this runs and works perfectly. Got the signal turned off, temperature's on high. Wrinkle care is turned off, and that's where it'll kind of keep it going in 5-minute intervals, I believe, at the end of the cycle to keep it from getting wrinkles. I just put it on time dry. Go ahead and start it up. You can see it runs smooth. It's nice and quiet. And what I want to show you lastly is that it does in fact heat up. So we got outside temperatures 70 degrees, and what we'll do is we'll point this right in on the heating element area, and it's up to about 125. Yeah, between 115 and 125 as it gets warmed up there. I just started this, so it'll get a little warmer as it goes on. Otherwise, I just wanted to get a look at it and get a listen to it. And I'm going to pair it up with that washer and get them listed for sale. Appreciate you watching this video. You have a good day.